Shandong Longheng International Trade Company Limited is a comprehensive enterprise located in Jinan City, Shandong Province. It specializes in the sales of trailer axles, trailer suspension systems, and other trailer components. Our affiliated factory covers an area of 51,000 square meters and has multiple efficient and modern semi-automatic production lines and over 100 employees. The factory is equipped with 6 R&D engineers, all of whom hold bachelor's degrees dedicated to technological innovation and ensuring the timely launch of new products. The factory is equipped with advanced equipment such as automatic welding machines, CNC lathes, and plasma cutting machines, ensuring the reliability and high precision of product manufacturing. We have a team of 3 quality inspectors fully demonstrating our dedication to quality. At the same time, the company offers various customized services and has many years of engineering experience, further enhancing its production capabilities. Shandong Longheng International Trade Company Limited sells various trailer parts and enjoys a high market share. With 9 years of export experience, our customer base is extensive, including retailers, engineers, wholesalers, brand companies, and manufacturers. Our market coverage includes Europe, America, the Middle East, Central Asia, Southeast Asia, Africa, and other regions, demonstrating our influence in the global market. The factory has passed CE and ISO 9001 certifications, reflecting our firm commitment to quality and compliance.